Big whoop. Want to fight about it?
I think it is too. That was just funny. Sorry, that was me. I bad. I'm sorry. I couldn't resist. I should put him as a gnome. No. No, I'm not doing that. No. Crabby crab. No, Mr. Krabs, Mrs. Krabs. Instead of, I can't call you Mr. Krabs. You're not a guy. I called you Mrs. Krabs. This game, you can be Mrs. Krabs. I'm taking all my money. You?
I had a big squishy.
Who did that? I've been the one behind you because you have a butt facing me. I'm about to kick her off. I ended up kicking her off anyway. Hi, kitty. Hi, puppy. There we go. Got the cat next to me, and then I got the puppy down below my feet. I don't know where Pumpkin is. So. Okay, kitty.
Your turn.
Oh yeah. Thank cool. I don't know why I'm choosing that color, but I'm choosing that color.
I'm tired.
Oh joy.
It's like I say these things, but I'm really pissed off when it happens. Just say that. No.
Hey, I'll be the gnome. I'm fine with that. Space Cadet gnome. Talk about every fish in the sea. There's your fish in the sea.
How many pounds of fish do I kill a year?
A lot. That's all I can say about that one.
A lot of fishermen actually
Okay. Let's start this. Ow. What's this poking me in the arm? Yay. Yeah, whoa. I don't know he's any time with that one.
Yeah, I don't think we did this right.
I don't think he has either. Got my little hover car.
You're out of my kingdom.
This is my kingdom. Not this time. It's an adventurer or a radio
Let's
operator.
listen to you, Tribal Chief.
You're talking about I'm the tribal chief right now.
No, I Tribal Chief. Ask Snake.
Who's Snake?
Just ask.
Oh, what? Snake said I'm tribal chief. Oh, you're tribal chief, eh? Let's see who tribal chief here. Snake say I tribal chief there.
You have another pizza.
There actually is a whole nother pizza underneath. I love that. Archaeologist, that's a good one. Give you and Joe all the good ones. Parking right behind me. Eh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That was lucky. Exactly. Woo! Woo! I love how we always all choose college.
Yep.
It's a way to get the most money out of it. Thank you. He always winds up taking out loans. For some reason or another, he always ends up with loans.
Yeah, the best one.
I had the best one there.
Yeah.
It's
That's like from the one I saw.
I don't know, we're both radio operators.
Right, from that I like land on
You still call me, you still call yourself Triple Chief there. You parked on my head. Are you? Oh, he's after the knowledge. He's at, oh dear. He's after knowledge. Well, I'm gonna shook his head no. Right there. Like, no, you shouldn't have done that. No. Dang it. I'll go for marriage. Again! No! My money! Oh. Ah, rat! I can run everybody over there. Wait, I'm putt-putting along right now. Can't get any higher than a 3 over here. Oh great, there goes my crown. For now. I'll just get if I can have these.
Hey, hey, hey. No, you will not.
Tasty crab.
Hey. No. You will not.
Thank you for more payment.
Oh.
Ouch, that one had to hurt.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm thinking I knocked him down to 0K, just like last time. It's like he kept paying me Monopoly, too.
Oh, that's him. He must be happy.
You got your 50K back.
Oh my goodness. I see you, little shit.
Oh, ho, ho.
Uh-huh.
Ho, ho,
Uh-huh.
ho.
Okay.
Okay, it's on now. That's it.
Dun, 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 dun.
Can't I get anything aside from a 3?
You done? Okay. Alright, never mind. You're very sorry.
I did get married. And no, I'm not doing the.
See, I'm still the. Okay.
Look at you guys.
Oh, so you
What?
got the extra little.
Hee hee. I can at least win in happiness.
Don't forget, the Frankie Cat will stand you on
What? Everybody's got to pay me 20K because I got married. I want something other than a. Really, you? Why are you saying nuts? I just had to pay you. Nuts.
Take my 20 back.
Well, I'm gonna hang on to my hearts. I'm gonna volunteer for charity. You ain't catching me on hearts. I'm really good at hearts. Oh yeah, you. Oh, bring it on then.
Is she?
Dang it, you were so close to taxes. Wow.
Who fired that there?
That was you. It was your brain. You had a brain fart. Oh, I thank you. Lucky 7, I tell you, works every time. The bouncing gnome is happy for you. Oh no.
What? Seriously? What the fuck? You asshole.
What the actual fuck? That was the wimpiest spin I've ever seen, and he managed to.
So, like,
Wow, what
I
the
used to pay you. Wait, damn it!
fucking. And he runs me over again.
God.
Oh, no, not the hearts! Oh,
Now, who's the king of hearts?
Oh my god. Oh god.
you were so asking for it.
Oh my
You were so asking for it. That does it. I'm going after your knowledge. Yeah. I'm going after your flipping knowledge then in that case.
And rubbing you.
You ain't robbing me. That.
Told you, I'm the tribal.
You know, tribal chief. Baby. Baby.
It's been love, Billy.
As usual, I go for baby. I get to the doggy. Speaking of little doggies.
He's a Jason. He's on here.
What? Who's holding keys?
Jason P's on here.
That's not Jason.
Jason.
More like this one. Nice and
Did
calm.
they ever find out what's on in Jamie's blood?
No.
Did the cancer come back?
I have no idea.
I think it did. Because it kind of very sad.
I noticed that too.
They don't even do breakfast.
They did breakfast. They're doing breakfast tomorrow. Yeah, Mom and Dad got invited, but they can't because it's pack-up day.
Oh shit. Cow?
How rude!
You still doing it? Okay, like I was about to do that. Thank you, come again.
Joe's like, I'm gonna kill her. I'm gonna kill her.
Oh, lucky.
It's so freaking cool. That was funny as hell. That was funny as hell. Oh my gosh. That was funny as hell.
That's
That was
gross. Have to release the curse of the temple.
Hey, you know tribal team. Me tribal team.
It's unknown until then.
Oh no!
You got it back. You got it back.
It's a tribal team. You robbed me.
I rubbed you?
I said robbed me, not rubbed me. Fucking pervert.
What is he thinking about right now?
I don't know what he's thinking about. I said robbed me, not rubbed me.
Oh, I love the way you rubbed me.
No, I said stupid tribal chief, you robbed me. Say you robbed me. What the fuck?
Exactly what I said.
Really? The fuck?
Bye-bye.
Tribal.
Bye, buddy.
I'm about to call you the tribal pervert. The tribal pervert.
Drop your punch. Drop your totem.
Don't touch my totem. you keep totem stashed away in your temple. There, you very much.
Ooh.
You missed kids by one space. Oh. You could adopt that kid. Just hopping along next to your vehicle. He's like, hi, I'm here.
You're the king of hearts.
I'm the king of getting screwed over. That's what I am.
Hey,
Baby. Yay! Baby.
Well done.
Oh shit.
Oh, that was so close.
have a baby. Good baby.
Oh, I know pay you.
You gotta pay me for the fertility blessing.
That's why I didn't get the fertility pussy. That's it. Screw this. I'm going for well. They can't win in the other one, so you can...
Yeah, crushed it. It's there too. I eat your cookie.
What?
Speaking of cookies, I'm trying to decide which one to have.
That's hard to say. I'm going on a marathon. I'm gonna fail. I'm going on a marathon. I'm gonna fail.
We'll see what happens, I guess.
It's gonna be doomsday for the fishies. There's gonna be no fishies left.
It's ugly.
Yeah, Dangerous.
Sadie! It is 11:30 for Pete's sake.
Okay, good. Wow.
I knew I should have just gone for knowledge.
You're trying to do it. You're doing mean.
You were very close.
Oh, you got family. Well, now he's gonna throw his kid. Does it make sense that it came from there? Okay.
I had a baby girl come right out of my ass on the front.
Oh.
And my wife popped up.
Don't choke.
You made me choke on my cookie. Oh.
She'd be eating cookies in front of me.
There's plenty other nice
Talking
night.
about cookies.
It's a tasty treat.
You had to think about it. It was okay to say it. It's like, should I say it? Where's our drink? That's what it is. What the hell? Okay, yeah, you know that's what she's gonna do. She'll say, you eat too many cookies. You don't need them. No, not always snacks. Yes.
Oh, so lucky. You almost wound up with a kid. How did I know?
Saying.
She's tribal woman's feet.
Yay!
Ah!
Oh shit!
No, I say the taxes. No, plenty.
Oh my god.
Hey, more like this, mate.
Wow.
It's like,
Sweet five.
What
oh, come on.
He keeps getting stuck and filling it backwards.
Sure, when I think of taxes, as soon as I feel one coming a little bit closer.
We're at Domino's.
the? Hey, what?
You keep taking everybody's money.
You suck.
Not pay taxes. Oh, almost.
Get it.
Like, it doesn't get stuck when it's on that, but it gets stuck when...
By the way, you did this to her. How do you like it? That was just payback for what you did to her earlier. Are you? Yeah. I'm all the way back there. You're almost at retirement again.
I noticed. That was like,
I can tell you why. Because of 1, 2, 2,
You have my
1, 2. Yeah, exactly.
Let's see. I think I'll be at 10.
Of course, you choose that, Mr. Tribal Chief. Thank you. Pay me. Oh, wait, pay you.
Yeah, baby.
Damn it. Oh, someone needs to wait on 7.
Of course.
You have a lot of money.
You attack me?
Yep.
Really? Spin it.
No cheating.
Yeah, no cheating.
I'm not touching anything.
I'm not touching it either. Hey! The fuck, Joe?
You did it.
I did nothing. I didn't even touch it. My knuckle was right there on the controller, not there on the controller. I swear to bejeebus, I didn't fucking touch anything.
Hey, you shouldn't have pressed it on me. I wouldn't have pressed it on you.
I didn't press it on anybody. I'm definitely
Still
gonna.
playing one-on-one. Just waiting for Sunset Hustle.
Actually, I went in on 9. What the heck is that? Well, I'm also gonna be a temple warden. Really? I'm almost in debt again.
What do you pay?
And then we just landed on tax.
You're pulling on me.
Only worse. I'm actually not going to have the money to pay back my loan at this rate. Somebody just land on a 2 so I could fucking. Oh, that guy should know. Oops, I spin for you, I'm sorry.
Stupid.
You spin for
Hey,
me.
that's a bitch.
I was letting you spin for me. You got me to win. Hey, I got him back for you for what happened to you earlier. Hey, you.
Get it on purpose.
No, I didn't. I thought it was my turn. I'm sorry. I screwed up. At one point or another, we've all had that freaking mess happen at least once. So, thank you.
See?
Oh, yeah, everything worked out all right. It wasn't even intentional. I'm sorry. That's why I let you spin for me.
Thank you.
And then you wound up giving me the window. That was your fault, not mine. I didn't do squat. And that. Oh, dang it. I missed everything in the house and everything. Fine, I'll repay my damn loan. I didn't mean to do that. Oh. You reached retirement in the most messed up game of life I've ever had.
Hey, what the? I didn't do that.
What do you mean I did it? I
You
didn't,
did it!
I didn't even fucking touch anything yet.
Did you get a lot of money?
I don't know. I was
Actually, yes, you did. You got the 100K instead of the 10K.
Oh.
Oh, he did it again. He did it again. It's like when he spun for me and got me to win. He spun for you and got you the highest amount.
Like fucking A. And he has two piggybags now. That's 50.
I can't win in anything tonight. Jesus.
You're invested.
Oh, screw you, two game. Feeling risky. I got nothing to lose. I'm probably gonna lose anyway. There you and that one. Oh, no tap. You jinxed that. You so jinxed that.
I farted. Hey, I got 100K.
Farted killed the dog.
She was already
The
dying.
cat too.
They're fine. They're in sleepy when
Smells
we're
like cheese.
Oh, it doesn't. Really?
Why did it smell like cheese? It does. Cheesy.
Like those cheese things.
Has been eating a lot of cheese.
Guess so. Too many cheese things. And you don't know how freaking lucky you were just now.
How the fuck did you manage that one, Joe? I almost said that out and I realized what happened. Good on you. You have all the crowns now. I almost spat that out though.
Fucking tribal jerk.
I was like, oh shit, I know what he's gonna do. I would do it too, but I'm like, what the fuck?
Pay tax.
Look at that.
Taxes.
I'm not saying anything.
I'm gonna slap you on it. Like, you fucking say that.
Table jerk, win again.
Tribal jackass.
Oh, God.
Tribal jerk's gotta stop screwing over.
Table jerk, screw over, little crazy.
Oh, you tried to. Tribal jerk. Yeah.
Whee! I'm gonna win.
You won.
Yeah.
You won taxes.
That's a lot of taxes.
There's tribal jerk right for picking on
You have,
tribal
you
crazy.
have an investment anyway. You have
I
a
do, I have a...
so you'll get them some of that money
I'm
back.
gonna win everything.
I can't seem to win anything.
Yeah,
The only thing I'm winning is losing money.
Play along.
Fuck you, game! Go fuck yourself!
Oh my God.
Oh my
You pay
god!
me alone.
Are you fucking kidding me now? Are you fucking kidding me now? That didn't just happen again. Fuck you! Fuck you! You fucking son of a fucking fuck.
Why do you have so much money?
She's been in retirement for I don't know how many turns.
That's you.
Could you please land on it too? That's all I need is someone to land on it. Fuck!
And then he's done.
No, I'm not there.
Your pension.
You know?
That's the only thing you can't do is oh yeah. I mean, you could do the other one if you really wanted to, but I think you're gonna win this one. He has the pounds too. I think it's not enthusiastic about this at all.
He looks different.
At least you're not owing it. Oh god, you're right near the finish line. Oh shit!
Fuck you!
Sell your kids.
What?
Sell my fucking kids.
I won. Nothing.
Fuck you too, game. Go fuck yourself. And I'm gonna get a minus score because of my fucking loan. They didn't let me pay it back.
Oh, tribal chief. Hey, Krabby.
You're gonna beat me with the freaking other things.
Oh, you're still winning.
Not yet. You'll see. Go do. Oh god!
I've never seen that.
Oh, you're gonna
I
win.
tribal chief.
Tribal Chief won.
No one's got to sort it out.
Turkey.
He said, hey, crap. He stopped that. I was like, you're gonna win. You have all the freaking crowns.
Has anyone done that yet?
I have no idea.
Well,
Like,
apparently,
how you guys done?
I'm good. I was like falling asleep.
I'm definitely fucking good after that one.
yeah, the short end of the stick with that one.
You got shit on by tribal chief.
He's like, I'm not gonna really be you.
Fucking
He has to look at us and he's like, if I say anything, he's gonna kill me.
yeah, I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut with this.
Because we all kind of screwed each other a lot.
Well, definitely did that in Monopoly, I tell you that. That's why what the face was fucking doing so good.
Do you want to get ready to screen flip?
Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, that's not mine. We need to. All right, I just need to do this.
No, not all. Carrito. Rusty carrito.
What?
That's what I called him, man.
Please don't.
I'm done.
I'm done. Crazy one's being made. They
Yeah.
made me go into a loan.
Oh, it's okay. I'm just signing off anyway for the night. I'm just tired.
Yeah.
It's very annoying.
Annoyed and tired.
It's okay. It's okay.
And then secretly in your mind, you're like,
I think I started calling him a tribal jerk.
yeah, you did.
Yeah, because I kept on having to pay him.
I told you one day I was gonna win.
You were so scared that I was gonna win. You were like, grab me.
What the fuck did they do? Who the fuck is this? Who the fuck is Tingus Pingus? I never heard of fucking Latvia. You drafted this fucking kid. You stupid motherfuckers.
Yep.
I see a little silhouette of a man.
Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, 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 Galileo Figaro Magnifico. I'm just a poor assistance. Nobody loves me. It's just a poor assistance from a poor family, spared its life from this monstrosity. Easy come, easy go. Will you let me go? Bismillah. No. We will not let you go. Let it go, Bismillah. We will not let you go. Let it go, Bismillah. We will not let you go. Let me go. Will not let you go. Let me go. Never, never let you go. Never let me go, oh. No, 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 no.
Oh no. They kicked me out of the fucking... Alright, that's it. Now I'm going out of the... And it literally said host migration and it brought me back to the main menu of Warframe. Alright, yeah, I might just go play fucking Max Payne. But that pissed me off. Well, first, let me get my... I've never seen that kind of fucking crash bug.
Going up the stairs. Yeah, her going up the stairs. Does he set a trap there?
You know, I can fix this shit.
Oh, yeah, I could play
Erica.
Warframe, but
If you want, tomorrow you want to try coxinha with me? That's that Portuguese food. Aiden's the one that got me hooked on it. It is, oh my god. Like, if you
you
don't
know
eat
why?
it,
Because he's dating a Portuguese woman.
and
Mine
she
does
has
is eat. Yeah, I know, right? Fucking hell.
one. And I fucking wrecked that.
He's one lucky son of a bitch. I was like,
Alright, let me get my login in Multiverse if it lets me.
you don't know what you're missing, Matt. It's all it's working just fine. It's like the only game working just fine right now.
All right, I'll try.
It's probably what's gonna happen is he loads it in and you try to invite him, it's not gonna let him do it.
Oh, it will. It will.
Oh, it won't even let me log into Multiverse. Bleach is not really an online game.
Through. If I went through, I just sent it. It went through.
I didn't get it.
Because you're not playing Fallout. invite us in?
No.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, you can join Onto-Me. There's ways around it. You can join Onto-Me through the game itself, and then I can invite you inside the game itself.
What?
Thank God for MMOs.
Oh yeah, Eric. So what are you gonna do about? My mom's curious. Like, what are you gonna do? Like, you all even have a game plan set up, or?
We're gonna get by, but barely. Barely. I mean, I give her money every week. Heather gives her money every week. We try our hardest, you know what I mean? But I mean, the 1 week we have to worry the most is the week that they take all that money at once. They're going to be taking a lot of money, so.
They said they're gonna try to get by. It's gonna be a little bit of a struggle, but they'll get by.
Try. I mean, we'll try. I mean, it's that one. There's just 1 month where it's gonna be really rough for us. 1 month, and if we get by that 1 month, we'll be good. You know.
So, I mean, like, John Candy just wants to have a regular family vacation. But his son's too old, and, like, he just wants to hang out with
Figure it out.
You know,
We always do. We always find a way.
like this world. And, yeah, Mike, I know the great outdoors.
You don't, then we're not gonna.
We watch it together.
Exactly.
Ooh.
I managed to join in your world.
Yeah, let me just finish my bagels. Do it quickly. Hey, Uncle Wood,
Gay. Trying to shop works just fine. God damn it. That was just such a snarky remark. I'm
What?
sure the shop works just fine, yeah. The purchases work just fine, I'm sure of that.
Oh, boy.
Oh my god, I'm sure that works just fine.
Alright, you know what, fuck it. I'm gonna go on fucking Max Payne.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna play a single player game for now because something that doesn't require internet to play because I noticed all my friends are not even online right now. It's like nobody's on. Everyone's pissed off that Xbox is broken. I'm probably gonna play a single player game.
I bet Gary and Alex are pissed off. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm
Well, Jose just hit me up, and Jose's good friends with them, and he was pissed off, so I'm pretty sure they are too. Find a game that doesn't require internet to play. An online server.
oh shit.
Oh man, this blows. Well, I haven't played Hogwarts Legacy in like forever. Maybe I'll do that.
I might consider buying Hogwarts Legacy next
Jesus,
week.
look at all these updates.
Yeah, Hogwarts Legacy got a massive update.
Yeah, Hogwarts Legacy, South Park Snow Day, Forza Horizon 5, the finals. I might play Forza if it works. Dragon's Dogma 2, Diablo 4 got an update too. Is that new DLC out, man? The new Diablo DLC? Is that out today?
Not yet. That comes out in October.
I wonder what the update is for Hogwarts Legacy. Wow, it's a big one too. It's like 7 gigs. Wonder what the fuck they did. It's gotta be a patch. Like a big patch update. I mean, the game wasn't even that buggy, so, I mean, I don't know why the hell it's got such a huge update.